Alright, let's look at the practice exam 3, problem number 10. Alright, let's do part A. Alright, so first thing I would do is I'm going to rewrite it as integral from 1 to 4. Alright, so you have, let's see, I'm going to split that into this quotient right here, x over 2 square root of x, and a negative 1 over 2 square root of x. Alright, so let's say, so you have 1/2. Alright, x divided by square root of x is square root of x, which is x to the 1/2 power. Alright, then you have negative 1/2, still there. Alright, then you have, let's see, 1 over square root of x is x to the negative 1/2 power. Alright, dx. Right, which I should have done it before, but we should probably factor 1/2 common factor out. So I'll just put it outside. So it's 1/2 is outside. Then we have an integral from 1 to 4 of x to the 1/2 power minus x to the negative 1/2 power with respect to x. Alright, then I'm gonna go, let's say I'm gonna go here, and 1/2 is still there. Alright, find the antiderivative of this guy, so add 1 to the power, so 3/2. Divide by 3/2 is multiplied by 2/3, so I'm gonna write that here. Alright, minus, alright, add 1 to the power, so it's gonna be positive 1/2. Divide by 1/2 is multiplied by 2. Right? So we have that. Then we can actually, let's see, go from 1 to 4. Right? Then we can actually, oops, sorry. Right? We can actually cancel. I'm going to just distribute 1/2 to 2. At first term, so that 2 cancels out and that 2 cancel out if you do that. Alright, then we're going to plug in top number, which is 4, so it's going to be 1/3 times 4, so it's 1/2 power is 2, 2 cubed is 8, so times 8 minus, right, so it's a square root of 4 is 2. Right, minus, we plug in 1, so that's just a 1/3 here, and then here you have minus 1. Right, so this is going to be equal to, so we have 8/3 minus 1/3, so you have a 7/3. Right, then negative 2 minus negative 1, so plus 1, so it's going to be negative 1. Right, which is going to be 4/3. Right? Alright, so that's the first guy. Alright, for part B, we're going to do a substitution. Alright, we're going to let u be natural log of x. Alright, natural log is kind of hard to deal with when it comes to finding antiderivative. So, using substitution to get rid of it is probably a good idea. Alright. So take the derivative, du over dx is equal to 1 over x. Right? Take the reciprocal of both sides. We have dx over du, which is equal to x. Alright, then multiply by du to get dx is equal to x du. Alright, and also we need to convert the lower limit and upper limit. So in this case, x is starting from e to e squared. Right? Then if you convert that to u value, right, so you just have to plug it into the substitution equation. Natural log of e is 1. Right? Natural log of e squared is 2. Right? So we can rewrite this integral as integral from 1 to 2 instead of e to the e squared. Right? we decided to call this guy u. So you have u squared on top, and there's x on the bottom. But the dx is same thing as x times du, right? So we can cancel x on top and x on the bottom, right? Then we can use the power rule here. Add 1 to the power 3, divide by 3, right? Then you're going from 1 to 2, right? Plug in 2, you get 2 cubed is 8 over 3, minus plugging 1 cubed is 1 over 3, which is equal to 7 over 3. Right, that's that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.